Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that you deserve to go and take a day off. Okay? So, if you want to be successful, you can't always be going. Okay? The reason why is because you need to be able to change the pace every once in a while and take time to slow your mind down. Okay, because if you're always in front of clients, or if you're always, doing your marketing, or if you're always doing X, Y, Z inside of your business, you're never going to have that time away for your subconscious to start talking to you and start alerting you of different things that you either missed or things that you would have not thought about to grow your business. But if you're always going, you're never going to be able to have that opportunity. Okay? For example, I hadn't taken a vacation in a little while, but the last week I basically decided just okay, cool. We're just gonna take a mini break from this. We're just going to tell all the clients, hey, I'm gonna give you coursework, but we're not gonna have face-to-face meetings this week. And they're like, cool. So now I come back this week and everything's better, everything's stronger. Okay? The same thing with you, the same thing with your business. If you don't understand when to strategically take time off, and you don't understand when to sharpen your sword, you're never going to be able to actually make it and have this be a long career. Okay? If that's what you're searching for, to be able to actually make this work, go join the link in the description below. It's a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later.